Our first keynote address speaker was the Vice President of Global Public Relations at Disney Destinations, Craig Dezern. His first major point to prepare for a field in global public relations was to first of all get curious about the world. Like, for instance, you can subscribe to International Business Magazine or other international magazines that will help you be more aware of what's going on in the world.
Another one of his points was just to remain open to different destinations around the world. Sometimes we limit ourselves to the United States, and there's a whole other big world out there, and there are many opportunities, so just consider those when you're thinking about job opportunities.
Craig's next point was to look for more opportunities to travel, whether that's through study abroad or just vacations, or just being able to immerse yourself in other cultures and get to know different parts of the world to just better understand the field that you want to explore more.
Another point was to avoid obvious blunders with simple tools. So, for example, do some research before you go to another country, find out how they handle business situations, what their policies are on gift exchanges, business card exchanges. Every country has different formal rules for those things, and it's important that since you're representing another company and yourself with first impressions, you want to make a good first impression, and an easy way to do that is by reading up on their culture, so make sure you do that.
Also, if you want to launch a career in global PR, Craig mentioned that learning a language or at least key phrases would be a good idea. That way you can at least communicate at a very basic level with other cultures, especially if you know you're going to be working in that culture for a significant period of time. You should really get to take the time to really learn how they communicate so you don't offend them and you just have a better grasp of what you're trying to promote in general. Even if it's not the whole, you're not fluent in the whole language, learning key phrases like how are you doing, hello, asking questions, saying thank you, simple commands like that go a long way.
And another way to jumpstart your international career is by using your alumni and networks. It's very important to start building those contacts even outside of the country. And if you know anyone that have studied abroad or done internships abroad, talk to them, see how they liked it, see what they liked about it, what they didn't like about it, and that can help you decide where you'd like to go. So,
along those same lines, Craig mentioned just getting experience from internships are key. There's really nothing better than just going out and doing something that you're interested in to really, see if that's what you want to do, if you enjoy working in a certain culture over another. Just try to get as many internships as you can and just get the experience, even if it's unpaid, if it's volunteered. Anything will really help you just get a better grasp at what you really want to do. And other than that, it was a great session. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.